Here is the combination between role-play and storytelling, the narrative game where the users create the story. School, work, sport, do they keep you from reading and writing? Do you have lots of ideas to share, but no time to? This is why we created Newverse. By using the collective writing system, we transformed storytelling in a narrative game where everyone can contribute and participate. In Newverse, everyone can become protagonist in the creation of a world in a simple and immediate way. How to try the platform before everyone else? Support our project on Kickstarter. Take the opportunity to exclusively try the platform, obtaining unique and unrepeatable benefits. Become one of the pioneers of a new entertainment system. We give you the possibility to give voice to your inner writer, to express your imagination, and to match this with your schedule. Hurry up! You've got until May 14th, 2020 to join the many users who are going to try the platform.